Oh, that's I like it. Alright. That's cool. I'll convert the rest of this to experience. Just keep moving. Yay! Cool, cool. Alright. Challenge unlocked. Let's keep going. Maybe I can get the magma stage. I'm trying to unlock a character. Alright, Frozen Tundra. I don't really like the stage. Let's see. I should try to aim for a quick teleporter here if I can find it. Random, random. Oh, wow. Okay, just remember this spot here a little later. I don't really care about droids too much as it don't really help me out too much here on this difficulty. Okay, alright. What I really need is an item. And asking you shall receive. See, that droid didn't last me any time. I really should be trying to keep moving, but I don't really want that item. Okay. Bam. Let's get that. And what's this? Move fast out of combat, which on Monsoon is okay, but not too. It's not that great. Like right now, it's fine. Yeah. Come on, teleporter. Come on, let me find you. Oh, crit, crit, crit. I can crit now. It's lovely. I wonder if I can actually get this secret. It's like a... Can't remember how though. Lovely, the Colossus just randomly spawns. Clay, man. Ah, I need to keep going. I really need to study like the secrets of this game because I know there's like quite a bit that you can do. Oh, now another blighted. Well, it is on insane now, so it's to be expected. Don't want more. Trying to think what I need. I'm gonna get the icicles. Icicles, maybe a Tesla coil. I think with those 3 alien heads, I'm pretty much invincible for a while. Like, there's a very brief time where I'm just not. And I think with all the health I'm stacking with that early infusion, I think I'll be alright. And if I get another one, phew. But I still don't. I still will be fighting forever on this. I've never. I think this is probably as far as I gotten on this difficulty. This character. Okay, I got a second. I'm probably gonna get the run faster. No, let's get monster teeth. Let's get a couple more monster teeth. And another smart shopper. Not good. Not bad. No. I don't want that. Oh, I try to take it. Try not to take that damage. Okay, more monster teeth. Will-o-wisp. Will-o-the-wisp. Chance of detonating enemies on kill. Cool, cool. Punching bag, which I don't need. It's not that great. Man, that really helps to clear. And with that with that cooldown thing, I can have it in cooldown instantly. Back. I think I'm pretty much set. Let's get a get more crit. Why not? Jump out the way, do it again. Keep that damage here. Alright, let's do it again. This is a lovely setup right here I got with the loader. I think I got all like his dream items, the alien heads, ancient scepter for damage. Let's see, I'm gonna try to unlock the chef. That's what I should be trying to do now. Because why not? Trying to see. I know one of the items I need is like the sprout. Meat nugget, bustling fungus, sprouting egg, and foreign fruit. Oh gosh. Okay. Nope. Let's see, bitter root. I think all of these are common drops, I believe. Oh, foreign fruit is a use item. Okay, so we'll remember that. All these are common. So for here on out, we can go to make sure. See what these items do. I'm basically just gonna kill him just for the item that he drops. Maybe hopefully get a monster log out of these. Let's see, one more to unlock the huntress. Alright. Another blighted clayman. And I need the meat nugget. Alright, this is not helping my cause. I get too caught up on fighting and I'm only on the 3rd level. Which is really bad of me. But I'm pretty much invincible, so I wouldn't say pretty much. I can probably mess up and die somehow. Foreign fruit. There you go. Once I unlock the chef, I'll get another use item and stuff. It's not a big deal. That cooldown one isn't even really even needed it. Bet you the teleporter's up here now. Oh wow, that was terrible. Oh gosh. Please. Alright. I got it up there. Wow, they're just rolling off. Let's go. Oh, I got the jetpack. A little extra jump. Alright, teleporter, where are you? Wow, you're not over here either? Oh, yeah, you are. I shall stay alive.